Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mehnaz Kiran coming live from Karachi, Pakistan. Today, I will tell you a story, a true story of a lady. She was just 17 years old. She wants to become an educated and successful lady. But one day, her mom informed her that my nephew wants to get married with you. She said, "What? Mom, I don't want to get married at the moment because I want to continue my studies." But her mom said that he is very nice. He will take care of you. Please accept our decision. So, from family pressure, she accepted her parents' decision. After marriage, she started her new life. She could not complete her education, and in her life, she was learning new things, and she was trying to adjust in her in-laws. It was very difficult for her, but she was trying, and she uh, became successful in her personal responsibilities. She got three kids, and after 6 years of her marriage, suddenly her husband passed away by heart failure. It was very hard time for her because she was so young. She was just 23 years or 24 years old at that time. She had three kids at that time, and it was very painful time, and she cried a lot. She cried a lot, but it was not enough to survive, to look after her kids, her children. So she started doing job. Due to education, she did not complete her education, so she got a small job with very low package. So she adjusted in that income, but she decided to continue her studies also. So along with job, she started education again, and she struggled a lot. She was facing a lot of problems. Every single minute, every single second was very hectic and painful for her. But she was just looking at her children, that she had three children, so they are looking for her. So she look after themselves. That's why she faced everything, every hard time, every challenge happily. But after 4 or 5 years, her children became younger, so she they understand about the environment of home. Our mom is going to office, so we have to manage each and everything. They tried to manage themselves, but she struggled a lot in her life. She faced a lot of problems. Women can face any problems because they are very powerful. Women have God power. They can face all the challenges, all the hurdles, all the problems just because of children. You know why my eyes are getting wet while telling you this story? Because this is my story. This is my story. And I have three kids. I faced a lot of problems and challenges, but Alhamdulillah, now I am living a happy life. I am very happy. Now I am a giving hand. Alhamdulillah. I am serving people. I am helping others. It is my passion. I love helping others because I face a lot of problems, so I feel the pain that I don't want others to get in that pain. So I just want one thing. I'm not sharing this story with you to get sympathy, to get your sympathy. I don't want. I'm just sharing this story with you because I just want to tell you that women are very strong. They can do anything they want. They can do everything they want. I just want your prayers. I just need your prayers. Just remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much. This was my story. I cut it short in English. I I'm posting this in English because some of my friends from Business Academy were requesting me to share my story, and I shared in my mother tongue so they could not understand. Thank you so much, Miss Sonia Stringer. Just because of you, I am sharing my story in English also and coming live very confidently. It is it is my happiness. It is not my tears. It is my happiness. I'm very excited. I'm so much excited. Inshallah, I will become successful, more successful than now. My competition is with me only, not with others. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.